Hello everybody! This video tells you some basic adjustments of YouTube videos. Suppose I want to watch video now, so I click it once to go in. Here, I can pause the video. Click it once and I stop this video successfully. Click it once again, I can continue to play it. If your video pop out some ads, you can just close it. And here, you can adjust the volume of this video to be louder or lower. Here, you can silence your video. Click it once and you will find your video to be silent. Click it once again, you can unmute it. But to make my voice can be heard more clear, I will skip this video to be silent. Next, you can jump to the part of video you want by click on the point on timeline, like this. Finally, you can find the next video that YouTube recommends you at here. The next video will play automatically after this video is finished. Or you can click it by hand, like this. This is the end of video.